everyone, Avneet this side from the Cyber International Balinagar. Today we have installed Nippon Android stereo in Glanza. This stereo is installed with proper frame in the car. You can see its fitting. ये stereo 9 inches का full-fledged Android tablet है containing all features in it. If we talk about the specification of this stereo comes along with 2 plus 16 GB of RAM and storage, IPS panel and Gorilla Glass. IPS panel का ये benefit होता है कि if we watch from any angle, we will get a clear view. Like मैं थोड़ा सा कैमरे का डायरेक्शन टिल्ट कर रहा हूँ, then also the screen is clearly visible. Nippon is a huge brand which is an OEM product of many companies. Like Maruti का 51% of share Nippon hold करता है. Next thing, this stereo also supports the steering control keys. Like आपको ये भी चेक कराऊंगा मैं. This is the volume increase key, volume decrease key, mute button, mode button to switch between multiple applications. This is the track next, track previous key. Despite this, we also have picture-in-picture mode available in this stereo, which makes multitasking more easier. Like if I play this video will play in the background. The size of this video can be increased as well as decreased. The navigation of this stereo can also be used along with watching video at the same time. We also have the option of split screen option, which can be used to play YouTube video and Google Map at the same time using this feature. Like for accessing the split screen mode, first we have to open both the application that we want to use. Like I have opened YouTube application. Then we can easily access the split screen mode through this option. This mode has many benefits. Like first benefit is that you can see Google Map at the same time when you are watching the video. And to exit this mode, we have to just click the black banner and drag towards the right side. If we talk about the processor of this stereo comes along with quad-core T3 P1 processor, which makes multitasking more faster. You can see its touch response. It's quite fast as compared to other stereos. We also have 12 band of equalizer available in this stereo, which can be used to enhance our sound quality. By default, many preloaded modes are also available. We also have the option of zone in order to check all the speakers are working or not. And we also have the loud option available. Loud option can be used to increase mids and bass in the car. Now I would like you to show the output of the stereo. Friends, along with the stereo we have also installed reverse camera. कैमरा हमारा ब्लॉपंग ब्रांड का है जिसका मॉडल नंबर है DH02. दिस कैमरा प्रोवाइड्स 170 डिग्री वाइड एंगल व्यू एंड इज वाटर रेजिस्टेंट. आप कैमरे की क्लैरिटी देख सकते हैं. आफ्टर इंस्टॉलिंग दिस कैमरा हमें अपने साइड ओवर VMs की देखने की बिल्कुल भी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. लाइक ये देखिए, इसमें बल्कि मेरे को कार भी शो हो रही है. इनफैक्ट माई ओवर VM आर नॉट शोइंग. एंड दिस कैमरा इज ऑल्सो नाइट विजन. रात को आपको अच्छी क्वालिटी मिलती है. वी आर हैविंग सर अलॉन्ग विद अस. सर आपका गुड नेम क्या है?
माय नेम इज़ विवेक.
तो विवेक जी, आप कहाँ से आए हो?
अवनीत, मैं ग्रेटर नोएडा से आया हूँ. आई एम वेरी मोटिवेटेड आफ्टर सीइंग योर वीडियोस एंड थैंक्स फॉर हेल्पिंग अस टू सेलेक्ट द गुड प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर आवर इंटीरियर कार एंड दैट रियली हेल्प मी. सो आई वुड लाइक टू यू एंड योर स्टाफ that they supported us well, and मैंने बहुत सारा काम करा है. स्टीरियो है, यू नो बकेट, अपनी सीट कवर्स हैं. एंड आई रियली से दैट यू नो योर लेबर्स आर वेरी स्किलफुल और उन्होंने टाइम रहते सारा काम किया है. सो आई रियली गिव हेड्स अप टू यू गाइस. चीयर्स मेट.
Thank you very much, sir, for your feedback. Sir, overall, you are satisfied with the work?
Very much, yeah. I would you know also recommend other people who are struggling to get the interior done really good, and you know very skillful labor should you know touch their car. So I would suggest Saiva would be the best place where you can get the best interior with the minimum cost, and the labors are very skillful, and you would really find this you know helpful. So I really thank Saiba team and their staff for helping me to get my interior done and making my car looks like a very new, brand new car. Thank you so much, guys. Cheers, mate. Yeah.
And sir, in the installation of the stereo, is there any cutting required?
No cutting, no wiring cutting. Everything was coupler to coupler as they have promised, and this is what I really liked about them. What they have promised, they have delivered it. So this is what the best you know thing.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through